Hello guys, I am back. Life is so boring, but I am always with you. So let's go start typing. And today I don't know how to type. It's a fastest type, but I practice daily, and I learn. So let's go. In 1940, 1914. In 1914, Germany, comma considered considered as a military state was wedged GED in BETWEE and between two countries COUNTRIES countries, one of which had equal 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 MILITARY military forces at its dis disposal, and the OTHR other had GREATER greater MILITARY military RESOURCES resources. Then there was England, England's OVERWHELMING overwhelming SUPERMACY supremacy at sea, France, and USIA Russia alone HINDERED 100 and OPPOSCD opposed the EXCELSIB excessive AGRANDIZEMENT agreement of GRMANY Germany. The unfavorable GEOGRAPHICAL geographical situation of the reach reach from the MILITARY military point of view. MIGHT might be located UPO and upon as ANOTHR another coefficient coefficient of security AGAINST against an EXAGGERATED exaggerated INCREASE increase of German power from the naval point of view the configuration of the COAST coast line was unfavorable and CRAMPED cramped the land. FRONTIER frontier was WIDELY widely extended and OPEN open. FRANC France POSITION positions is DIFFERENT different TODAY. Today it is the FIRST first MILITARY military WER power without a RIVAL rival on the continent. It is ALMOST almost ENTIRELY entirely PROTECTED protected by its UTHERN southern. Oh, my back have a pain. Southern TIER frontier AGAINST against Spain and Italy, against Germany. It is SAFEGUARDED by the PROSTRATE CONDITION condition of our COUNTRY country long STRETCH of its COAST coast line faces the vital nervous system of the BRITISH Empire. British Empire never fall, never rise. The country, that empire never fall. Oh, not only COULD could FRENCH French ROPL and ES aeroplanes and LONG long RANG range BATTERIES batteries ATTACK attack the Vital. Vital. Where is Vital? Where is our Vital? Vital centres. CENTRES centres of the BRITIS British SYSTEM system BUT but SUBMARINES submarines can threaten the Great British British commercial routes SUBMARINE submarine CAMPIGA campaign BASAD based on France. When France, did you go France? No, also me. Atlantic coast and won the European and North African coasts of the MEDITERRANEan would we have DISASTROUSCONSEQUENCES for England ENGLAND. Oh, oh, my back has so pain. Okay, today typing is complete. Thank you so much. You give me time. I'll give you my life. Thank you. Bye. We will meet next video.